Okay, to start this question, I drew a picture of the diagram given in the problem, and the question is how long can this beam be length L without buckling? And so there is a support at one end or a pin at one end and a roller at the other end, and there's a force being applied at the right end, like inwards towards the beam with the known value, and we also know the dimensions of the beam and the elastic modulus. So to start this problem, I'm going to be using Dr. Thomas's meta-analysis approach from lecture 8. So the first question is, what kind of load is this? And we know it's an axial load because it is in line with the main axis of the column. And yeah, we also know it's a column because it's a rigid beam. And then next question is, what kind of calculation is this? And we know it's a failure because it asks for L without buckling, and buckling is a form of failure. And then the next question in the meta-analysis is, what kind of bar is this? And we know it's uniform because only one force is acting on it, so we don't need to segment it into multiple parts to solve for the problem what it's asking. And then the final part of the meta-analysis is, what direction is this problem, forward or reverse? And we know it's reverse because we are solving for a parameter, not vice versa, as in like looking for an outcome with all the known parameters. One of the parameters is unknown, but we know the outcome, so that's why it's reverse.